Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to mute or unmute the microphone on your headphones JBL TUNE 770. So to mute or unmute the microphone, first you need to locate controls and you need to use your right ear cup. Right here between volume control buttons we have play pause button, and this one is multifunctional button, so we will use this one. Now let me open my recorder. Now as you can see I speak, and here is these waves mean the microphone unmute. To mute it you need to press and hold play pause button. You will hear a prompt mute on, and now as you can see I speak but there is no waves. There's no waves, so I just mute the microphone. To unmute it, you need to also press and hold at the play pause button. You will hear a prompt mute off. And now I speak, and again we have these waves. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.